Detangle, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my most requested video, which is a hair tutorial. How do I get my hair so curly? It is natural, but you know, how do I style it to accentuate my curls and everything? So stay tuned for all the products I use and how I do my hair. I detangle my hair with this brush. What brand for now, guys? Yep, this one right here. So after I shower, I let my hair air dry for like 15 to 20 minutes because I don't want to style it on like a wet hair. Then I go in with a normal sprayer, and this is really just water. So I spray. Oh my god. Okay. This is what happened to me. Honestly, I'm getting pissed. This literally just looked like a wet dog. First, my favorite hair product ever is this leave-in conditioner. Okay. Is this leave-in conditioner. It's the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. As I'm trying, okay. Here's a swatch. I run it through my hair.
So I take the leave-in conditioner and apply it to my hair, and then after that I'll take my detangling brush and just brush it all out, make sure the product is even throughout the hair. Then I go in to the other side and do the same thing. Next, I'll take this Garnier Curl Scrunch Gel. I really like this gel because it feels like water, but it does the job, and just scrunch it all throughout my head. And you don't want to brush your hair after you apply the gel. Next, I have the Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I love this product because it holds in your curl. Do a little dance, mousse bender, little lohana Dherai Maya moment, and I just apply it all throughout my head and scrunch it again. Oh, fixed my makeup. And then I go in with my hair dryer. This is what I diffuse with. It's a Conair hair dryer. It comes with different heads. I just use the diffuser and just diffuse, and scrunch. You really want to scrunch while diffusing. And voila! The final product. Little slow-mo. Yup. Look at them girls. Yes, sir. क्या दामी है यार मेरे को बात.
This is the final product. I don't dry it. On mo cut korche bane. Yeah. Look at creepy girl. Anyways, so I don't dry it 100%. Like, dry the got it, you know, like most of it is dry that I can feel it. It's still a little bit damp. The rest of that I let it air dry. Use a mixture of hair dryer and air dry. You know, but look at this. This is the copal. I'm not saying all your products are like is gonna work for everybody. This is just what works for my hair. Like, everyone's hair is different. Everyone has different type of curls, frizziness. Usually if I dry it and it comes out frizzy, I put like a little bit of argan oil or you can use that too, and just run it through. Like, don't get it too oily, but just like run it through or like scrunch it. On a daily basis, this is what I use. I use the leave-in conditioner, I use the gel and the mousse, and this is it, guys. This is I can't even see myself in the camera until I pause this.
I'll put all the links to the products down in the description box.
Alright, that is it for my hair tutorial, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you. don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video to all your curly headed friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dherai Maya. See you guys next time.